It's under the 3 minutes.
Okay.
My name is Jason Dye. My phone number is area code 248-251-8885. I only did that for transparency. Good evening, members of the school board. I stand before you today not with requests or pleas, but with the stern warning of the significant legal and civil actions underway due to your egregious failure to uphold the safety and rights of our students. The abhorrent incidents from a coach's act of choking a student in 2022 to the recent assault on Keenan are not mere mishaps, but clear indicators of your systemic neglect and dereliction of duty. Let's be unequivocally clear. The era of polite requests and futile discussions is over. Your inaction in the face of staff's violent misconduct has left us with no choice but to pursue justice and accountability through the fullest extent of the law. We are actively working with the Genesee County Sheriff, the Prosecutor's Office, civil rights and educational attorneys, ready to expose and dismantle the culture of impunity that you have fostered. Your blatant disregard for the safety of our children constitutes a direct violation of the 14th Amendment's Equal Protection Clause. This foundational principle of our republic mandates equal protection under the law, yet your actions and inactions have systemically failed to provide a safe educational environment for all students, effectively discriminating against those victimized by your staff's misconduct. The deplorable incident involving a football coach physically assaulting a student only to face minimal consequences is a testament to your failed leadership and oversight. This board's indifference to such violent acts within our schools not only undermines the trust placed in you by parents and the community, but also signals a disturbing tolerance for abuse and misconduct. Your failure has not just endangered our children's safety, but has also positioned the district at the forefront of legal and civil liabilities. The selective enforcement of discipline, utter disregard for student welfare, and the mishandling of serious misconduct allegations underscore a chilling systemic failure that demands immediate and uncompromising correction. We demand accountability, not just for the sake of Keenan, but for every student who has suffered under your watch. This demand is not a request. It is a promise that we will leave no stone unturned, utilizing every legal avenue available to bring those responsible to justice. This includes not only the attackers, but also every official who turned a blind eye or shrieked their duty to protect our students. You have had a duty to act in the best interest of our children, and you have failed miserably. Now prepare to face consequences of your actions, not only before us, concerned parents and citizens, but in the courts. We will ensure that no other child suffers due to your negligence and complicity. The time to make amends has passed. Now is time for you to answer for your failures, legally and morally. Brace yourselves for the legal reckoning that's coming. The community's patience has run dry, and so has our tolerance for your infeasible neglect and misconduct. Thank you, and I assure you this is far from over. I started this fight when I was watching people. I became a constitutional advocate because attorneys don't like to take these cases because they're all, got their little buddies together. Well, I have a legal onslaught that will. From all types of different people and genres of life. We the people are done with this. I'm after 5 school districts right now. I started this fight to go after judges and prosecutors that were corrupt. And it just led me right over into these school districts. You could catch me going after Dansville the exact same way. That's what started all this. Victimizing a farmer. Now this mother here who's went and did every single thing possible that she can do is getting no justice. It takes somebody who knows our Constitution, our Bill of Rights, our laws. Like earlier you said, you have to keep it respectful. I'm only keeping it respectful right now for the public eye and things like that. Our First Amendment, Collin versus California, unequivocal. I can say anything I want to say. This is a public funded building, public funded government employees acting in capacity of. We the people are done being silenced and not heard. No, I'm not a sovereign. Don't start thinking that. We go right into the legal system, although they have a lot to offer. That's all. You guys have yourself a great day.